Ajibo, you there here pressing phone. Do you heard?
What happened?
You don't have what happened. They don't burn church, oh. Even market, oh. Even everywhere, they don't burn. You there here pressing phone. Hey, the one say I'm gonna come out. Call him for phone now. Hey, I bet ma go tell Mama if for my that there is some things that we are going to come out for our shop.
Oh, what is that? Oh, this boy, he would have come back in, He saw what was happening, and he will still go out, Oh, And his number is not even going through now. What would I do now?
Where did you go to, Where did you go to? Didn't you hear what was? He would have come back.
Do you know what happened?
What happened?
They burn even bank, school, everywhere. Even your lord, all of them have already collapsed.
My lord?
Yes.
Hey! No. Oh, all these years in the school. No. It will not happen. Hey.
Sister, who are you calling?
Let me call my schoolmate now.
Call her. Yes, call her.
Hey, her number is not going through.
Repeat it again. Call her.
Let me call my lodge mate now.
Call her to confirm.
Hey, hello. I'm finished. You are finished, yo. Where are you, by the way? Where do you come from, lodge now? I the part of our lodge now.
Give me it. Excuse me. Why did you just tell me now?
Your school, your lord had already burnt down. Sister, you got me.
How would I?
They tell me, I tell you, ask them all,